Guys, today we will be installing Microsoft SQL on Windows machine. So first you need to make sure that you have not installed MySQL. So after that, just go to Google and type in Microsoft SQL download and go to the first link, which is this. So you will get a page like this. Scroll down, you will find a developer version, SQL 19 developer version. Just click on download and your download will start happening. This will start happening. So this is a very small file because it actually picks up data while we are like installing it. Second is, go to another Google page and type in ssms download, which is like the client for this. So again, like we have already discussed that SQL server is a client server architecture. This is the client, or you may even like write your client via some connector from Java, Python, etc. So there are various connectors. Using them you can connect to the server. Then after like typing in ssms, just go and like click on download SQL server management. Again, this is a huge file, so it will start downloading. As I have already downloaded them, I am cancelling it from here and I am just going to the folder where I have placed them. So you can see over here that I have SQL 19 and ssms, both of them. So just go ahead and click on SQL 19 and say yes. So you have, like you can see that the installation have started. So there are three kinds of installation: basic, custom, and download media. So here you are just like downloading the files, but like not installing them on your system. So this is something like you are just installing, like taking out the binary files. So these are not the source files; they are just the binary files. Then this is the basic installation, and this is the custom. In custom, you can like check what kind of components you want while you install SQL Server. But again, like this is something like which comes up as a part of administration. So we will for now just down install the basic version. Go ahead and click basic, click on accept. It will be downloading it in program files, Microsoft SQL Server, and it has already shown you how much space is. I want 8 GB at least, minimum free space. Click on next. So it will take 10 to 15 minutes to like install the complete package. So okay, as you will like wait for that to happen, so you will be taken up with this screen. So your server has already been installed. So it automatically says install SSMS. If you click over here, it will redirect you to that particular page from where we have already downloaded SSMS. You see, both the pages are same. So again, we have already downloaded it. So I'm just closing this up. So we have the same way to check if this is running or not. Go to services. This was the same thing which we like did for MySQL. And after going to services, just check for SQL. So you see over here SQL Server Agent, SQL Server Browser. Just maximize. Let me maximize. So you see over here that we have SQL Server Browser, then we have SQL Server Agent and SQL Server. So these all have been installed by this software. Okay. So the next thing is like we need to install the client. As in MySQL we were having Workbench, over here we have SSMS. So I will just close this and say yes, exit from here. So SSMS setup, which is the client, double click. Obviously, like as this is a paid software, so the visual effects and working of Microsoft SQL is better than MySQL. But yes, if you have the deep in-depth knowledge of MySQL, so there are a lot of places and a lot of domains where MySQL is much better than Microsoft SQL. But yes, you need to know about the storage engines. Click on yes. Again, click on install. So the setup is all complete. I will just close it and we will go to type and search SSMS. So this is the line software. I'll just open it up. So this will be your first screen of Microsoft SQL. You just select Windows authentication, which is already over there, and server type will be database engine. So this is for Azure integrated services, reporting services, and services we need for database engine, right? Click on connect. So we are connected right now. You can see over here.